Hello everyone, welcome today on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, June the 16th 2023, last working day of the week. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. This one has 33 printed digits. Well. And this one heavy, 28 printed digits. Too much digits here lately, too much digits. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, with 1 star, with 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. I will solve those in the evening. But first let me start with these two regular puzzles. Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. Yeah. Too much digits. Too much publisher. Alright, first one. 6601, 6601. I've told you before I start, I always count the printed digits. 33 printed digits. Well. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Yeah. By the way, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this should be easier than the 1 star puzzle. In additional, for the 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Maybe this one, 13 or 14 minutes. We'll see. 14 minutes. Alright, let's get started then. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in the first column. Should be there. Then 8 and 5. Okay. 8. We have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, only 3 places left. For the 1 should be here, or there. You see, on 1 this row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the row below, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 3, okay. 7. 7, okay. 7. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in the second row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 in there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 9. Alright. 6, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 6 and the 8. Sorry. No 8 and a 9 in this box. 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number 6. 6 in the third column. 6 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. Then. 2, 3, and 4. 2 missing numbers in this column. Second column, those missing numbers are the 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 is missing. 7. Wait. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes here. 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So to come next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. How about the 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. Alright. 5 and 8. How about 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square. For the number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be in. The 2 goes there. Then. Come on, come on, come on, come on. How about these two missing numbers? In this column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Can I fill this? No. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Need to wait, need to wait. 6 and 8. Let me mark this. Here also 9 and 8 are missing. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. What's happening? What's happening? I cannot fill those numbers. But these two missing numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2, 5. How about these? 3, 2, 5, and the 3 is missing. Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. Oh, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 here, so this box should be a 5. 9 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and 8. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I marked this box with 6 and 8. We have a 6 already in this column, so this box should be an 8. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 12 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 33. Too much digits, yes. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku heavy. Well, how heavy, I do not know. We will see. So, see you later. Bye-bye for now.